Hello and welcome to another episode of the Complete Idiot's Guide to Crypto. This is where basically we take concepts in cryptocurrency and make them very easy for the beginner to understand. If you are a beginner to crypto, make sure you check out this entire playlist, and that should set you straight on a lot of very simple things about crypto. So before we go any further though, make sure you are a subscriber to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. If you do that, you become a member of the Bit Squad, and as a member of the Bit Squad, you get the opportunity to win $500 worth of Ethereum and merch in October and November. All you got to do is like and comment on this video and all of our videos during October and November to get the maximum number of entries. Okay, guys, so here we are. I have pulled up Tron, the Tron Bitcoin trading pair, as you guys can see, the chart up there. Now, when you come to the bottom here, we're going to be talking today about the difference between limit orders and market orders. So for your beginner who doesn't even know what a Satoshi is, you may want to stick with the market buys, and we're going to talk about that in a second. But when you're reading the chart, it's very important to understand what a Satoshi is. So a Satoshi is the smallest fraction that a Bitcoin can be divided into. As you can see here, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 decimal places. So Tron right now is coming in at 300, it just went up, 362 Satoshis. Now, that's very important because let's say that you wanted to buy Tron, but you were hoping for it to dip down to 350 Satoshis. And when it got to 350 Satoshis, you were going to buy some Tron. So to do that, if you were to just sit here and watch the price all day, it would be pretty hard for you to be patient enough to sit and wait to grab it. So that's where limit orders really come in handy. You can set a limit of a high or a low where you will be willing to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. So if you come down here to the bottom, as you can see here, it has the price set at 361 Satoshis. So all I would have to do if I wanted to buy at this price was I would set my limit where I wanted it to be at. So let's say I want it to be at 350 Satoshis. And then when it hit 350, I wanted to spend half of whatever Bitcoin I have in here to buy Tron. So I could just hit 50% right there, and it automatically would buy 195. I hardly have any Bitcoin, as you can tell in my account right now. So at that point, once it hits 350 Satoshis, boom, it's going to automatically buy you 195 Tron. Now, let's say that ain't nobody got time for that, and you just want to make a quick buy. You want to make it right now where the price is at. Well, that's where the market order comes in. This means that at the exact market price, at the exact second that you hit buy, your order will get filled. So if I want to buy 50% right now, and you see the difference, right? Right now, I get 190 Tron. But if I wait till the price dipped down to, 350 Satoshis, then I would have been able to get 5 more Tron. But let's say I'm in a hurry, I just want to do it right now. All you would do is I click the 50%, now it's gone down again, and I just hit buy, and now I bought it. Now, basically selling works the same way. Like if you have let's say you have, I'll go ahead and do this transaction real quick. So I just bought 189 Tron, okay? So let's say now I have 189 Tron, and I wanted to sell those, but I only wanted to sell them if the price goes up. Like, let's say the price went up to 400 Satoshis, okay? I would type in 400 there, and I would click 100%. And now when the price gets up to 400 and, unfortunately, I have to actually have a little bit more. I can't just sell 189 Tron. But hypothetically, okay, if I wanted to wait until it got to 400 Tron, all I would do is put 400 Satoshis in here, and that would be a 40 Satoshi increase, okay? And then I hit however much I want to sell. Well, I'll just sell, like I said, 100 of it, 100% of the ones I just bought, which was 189. And then I would hit sell, and then my market order is going to just sit there. My limit order, would just sit there until Tron hits 400 Satoshis. And as soon as it hit 400 Satoshis, then it would automatically sell my Tron, and I would have made that profit of 40 Satoshis for every Tron that I had sold. So it's that easy. If you're a beginner or you're not looking to swing trade, then market may be the way that you want to go. If you are interested in setting limit orders and trying to, scout profits off of different coins, then you're going to want to learn more about limit. Now, of course, there also is the stop limit order. I'm not going to get into that on this video. I'm going to save that one for a different video. But I hope after this video, you guys understand the difference between a limit order and a market order. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And until next time, BitBoy out.